Okay, that's gross. Marley, you're in a lot of my videos, huh? Just so you know, just so you guys know, I love my dog too much. Mwah. Mwah. Yuck, his tongue got in my mouth. 6 feet on the ground and no one seems to hear a thing. Do you ever feel so paper thin? Yeah. We just got to ignite the light. Marley's got Piro, huh? Say hi! He goes, hi! Marley's like, what are you doing? Oh, honey, yes, I know you love me. I know you love me. Hey. Oh, his nose went in my mouth. He's trying to bite it. Oh my god. Good thing I have a case on that. Oh my gosh. Oh, ow, you bit my feet, my foot. Wait, come here. Give me the camera. Oh my god. Okay, I got it. Okay. Oh my god. Look at that puppy. No, dog. Dumb dog. Ow. Okay, that hurt. Hey, you dumb dog. Poppy. Hi, how come you're so cute?